What do you see around that corner? Talk to me.
Vehicle. E-bike vehicle right here.
How far? How far can
100
you
feet.
50 yards.
50 yards? 60
yeah, 50 yards. 50, 60. PSD, PSD.
It's right there.
Give this rocket launcher some cover so he can get out there and get a clear shot. There we go. Give cover to this rocket launcher. They need a clear shot on that vehicle.
Ceasefire, ceasefire, ceasefire.
Ceasefire!
I need a fucking medic!
Don't worry about it. Game on. It's still game on.
All right.
Wait, what?
All alpha units are on.
Move. Get off the corner. The corner's mine.
Not ceasefire when you see a small fire. Game staff is on.
Watch your right. Watch your right. Match. We got body units. Hold on, boss.
Tango.
Anyone from Alpha 4 Squad 2 trying to rally point over there, so we could all just make a push back over. Could you hand me the water bottle?
Dan, push everybody up. They're pushing up on from that other house.
Are these guys still here?
Yeah, we've got gunners in this window taking out people right here. They're on this
This wall?
Yeah.
Darian. No, we're back over here.
Where are they exactly at? You seeing this building here?
They're moving up through this field towards us.
They're moving right there. In the middle.
11 o'clock. We just went down.
Okay, I'm going up the street. I'm going up the road. We have guys over there. Where are they at?
We got one that keeps popping out and taking shots at that tree right there.
In that brush?
Yeah, he's got pretty decent range.
He's put up. He's put up.
Is he up? Is he hit?
Cover fire!
Are they behind that?
They got the guy behind me.
That kind of brush thing, there might be one. There was one that just put his hand up, but there might be more. We don't know. Stop grabbing me.
Alright, well, I got a friend.
Guys, now it's up.
Sorry, just looking at things.
What is it?
Guns up.
I know, I'm trying to look. Because they're right here. I just don't want to be firing into their ass.
Anything?
Left. Left, one left, one left. One left. Right where that guy has his flag up, he just came around that corner. Hey, Top. Right where the guy had it up, he just came out of that corner. I don't know how many more. Cold. Got him. Raccoon, we are on blue. We are on blue. Pass it on.
Sorry.
Oh. Get the what?
Upper one, we are at blue.
Hold on.
Stay down. Somebody's shooting at us. Guys! Candy! Other side of his building. Right on the other side of his building.
Go.
Go.
Thank you so much.
It's locked. Go around.
It's locked.
Yeah.
How's everything on the right side? Guys, they're coming. Is that them? Shit. Get him. In the field ahead of us, guys, in the field. Guys, watch your fire.
Anybody got an info mag?
What's he doing?
I got one left.
Yeah, I'm out.
Oh, hit.
Stay down. Hey, listen up! Stay down. They're shooting us from that building over there.
Everybody else got an info or they're done?
Okay, everybody get down behind this fucking truck, alright? I don't need any more dead fucking. You want me to pull you down, at least?
No, I'm okay.
Yeah?
I'm okay.
Alright.
Down. Hey, medic!
Medic!
Over here!
You okay with that?
Hey, somebody got cover.
I got cover on this left side.
Hey, come here, Grover. Fucking, I want you on this photo right here. I want you on this motherfucking building right there.
Got me.
No?
Where's your medic?
Dog.
Hey, dog, do you have any extra mags?
One over there.
Okay. Do you have one more? I'm out.
One more what?
We need to pop that smoke.
Tim,
Pop that smoke.
focus that way. Do not fucking look this way. I want you guys all focused
Hey,
over there.
Woodcock.
We got this side taken care of.
Woodcock. It's all around. We need to pop that smoke on blue.
What's that?
The smoke that's on the base of
Machine gun
blue.
on the corner.
We need to pop it.
Hey, hold on.
Pop that fucking smoke right there.
Pop it on the base of the flag.
Hey, no, there's a fucking goddamn 240 right there on the corner.
All right.
Pass on to command. We are taking blue. Blue has been lit.
Hey, you see him, Grover? Am I clear to run up that way?
Don't, because I don't know what's over there.
Hey,
Clay,
what's on the right side?
you got a 240 on the corner.
Hey, Sultan!
Right next to it, on the left. Yeah, we got a few close players there as well.
Okay. We just got constant circle in the building. Hey. Where are they at?
Cold, right in the field. There's one coming across the field. You want it? Oh, he's walking out. He's probably dead.
He's walking it out, walking it out.
Want to pop green? Right there. Right there. We'll pop it.
Hey, you want to get that flag too?
You gonna run? Up there? Why aren't they popping the smoke?
Are you full? Tell him to pop the yellow smoke.
Grenade in there?
Go pop it.
Run quick, go do it.
Yeah, go.
Pop that smoke.
Hey guys, watch the right side. They're calling medic over here.
We're clear.
Alright. Doc, whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Alright, well, yeah. Look, I'm gonna take that 240 the fuck out. I'm gonna flank his ass.
Hey, I need everybody to
He's on the top.
right there.
Yeah.
Smoke.
Throw it in the middle right there.
Yep, get back.
240 on the corner right here.
Let me know you're ready.
Hold it. Right here.
Are they pulling the smoke? Hey guys. Are they popping the smoke on green?
They're supposed to be, yep, we just did.
Okay.
All right, listen.
Confirm green smoke. Blue has ended hit.
All right, we need this fucking building right here.
All right.
Everybody